Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a comparison between Beautiful AI and 10web. We want to see which AI website builder wins. Do you need a stunning website fast? Today we're comparing two AI powered website builders, Beautiful AI and 10web. We want to see which one you should choose. Let's find out. When it comes to ease of use, Beautiful AI has a drag and drop, ultra beginner friendly concept, while 10web has AI powered but slightly more technical use. When it comes to templates, Beautiful AI has stunning, design focused slides and sites, while 10web has 100 plus customizable WordPress themes. When it comes to AI features, Beautiful AI has smart slide design and auto formatting, while 10web has full AI site builder plus hosting. When it comes to what they are best for, Beautiful AI is best for presentations, pitch decks, and simple sites, while 10web is best for full WordPress sites with AI speed. When it comes to pricing, Beautiful AI starts at about $12 per month with limited free plan, and 10web starts about $10 per month and includes hosting. When it comes to speed, Beautiful AI has instant visual designs, while 10web AI builds full sites in minutes. So what's the verdict? Well, if you need sleek slides and quick designs, Beautiful AI rocks. But if you want a full WordPress site fast, 10web is your winner. So which one would you pick? Comment below, smash the like button and subscribe for more tech showdowns.